Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add a custom indicator. And I saw a lot of videos where people are telling you a lot, but in this video I will show you exactly how you can add it. And it's very simple because right now if you go right here to indicators, you see right here the list and you won't find any options right here in this list to add an indicator. What you're going to do right here is we go right here to our files and search right here for Quantower. Then you need to click right here on the file where we downloaded Quantower. So we click on this and then we select right here settings, scripts, and then we go right here to indicators. And then right now, this is the place where you need to add your indicator. So you go to a website or maybe to MQL5 where you can download yourself the indicator, put it right here in this list. And then after that, refresh your Quantower and then you can use that indicator. So this is the place where you need to be. Then right now you have many options as files that you can put right here in this file indicators, but he recommends you to do CS files. That works the best. So try to do that, and after that click this away, restart your Quantower, and then you added your custom indicator. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.